Hey guys, OPD 830, Taco Ninja, and PS3 Legend, which is up there. Attack and defend, CQC. Whatever. Hugh Boy is defending, and PS3 Legend is attacking. Gay Wad Blood Brothers, I guess. Cool, shoot me.
Yeah.
Airsoft in 3, 2, 1, fight. Taco is taking his grand old time. Cameraman! Nanner. Taco's a sprayer, just to inform you all.
Yep, so I'm very fucked because I don't really want to play this round.
We don't have to play anymore after this. Cameraman! Taco is moving up.
What? He's moving up?
Yeah, he's behind those bushes.
What?
Shit. Pardon my French. Four more minutes. Nathan has the akimbos. He has M4. CQC. Close quarters combat. Hugh Boy's a well-known sprayer, so he's always on auto. That's Taco's house. PS3 Legends is, Airsoft Legends. House. It's his house. Yeah, this is my house, because I know people are really going to come and kill me. Because they care. You have no CO2?
Yeah, you guys should buy me some CO2 up there.
Oh yeah, you think so? Let's go! Real fight! Just like CQBing. Just a tad. I don't even need this code anymore. Cameraman coming through! Coming through! 1 second, guys. Let's get my code off. Okay, it's off. Cameraman! Taking some screenshots. Me. 2 more minutes. Ooh, getting frisky. Cameraman coming through.
Alright, start walking in front of me.
Cameraman! Moving through! Dempsey's large house dumps. Close quarters review. Cameraman! You're out.
You there?
No, I don't know where he is. It's me. Me! 1 minute. He's out. I suggest you rush him.
I'm not rushing.
No, I'm not talking to you.
I'm not rushing my M4.
I said I'm talking to you since you're out. Hugh's out. You guys can now rush.
You got ammo.
You guys got 20 seconds.
Yeah, he's out.
The war's not over yet, so we got 10 seconds.